Hey guys, this is a fun pasta dish that you can also make with the macadamia nut parmesan and the homemade butter. It's called sand spaghetti, and I know this is good because I've been making this since the 90s. While your spaghetti is cooking, you melt the butter. You toast breadcrumbs and some of the macadamia nut cheese, and then right when the spaghetti is ready, you put a little bit of garlic in and just cook it for a minute or two till it's fragrant, and then drain the spaghetti well. This is not a pasta dish where you want to use pasta water in the sauce, because the sauce is very crunchy, hence the name sand spaghetti. So then you mix it well, and you serve it up. I sprinkled a little bit of dried parsley on. You could use fresh, but I kind of wanted to use dry to be in keeping with the dry, sandy topping. And it contrasts really well if you cook your spaghetti till it's kind of tender and not really al dente, because then you get a real contrast between the soft pasta and the crunchy sand. Never used to make it with macadamia parmesan, just made it with breadcrumbs and garlic, but I thought it would be a good addition. It is. I love this stuff. So, link to my previous video, link to using homemade vegan dairy foods in recipes playlist, link to the macadamia nut parmesan and the churn style butter, and a link to the recipe on my blog will all be in the description. And at the risk of sounding repetitive, thanks to everyone who comments, likes, watches till the end, shares, and I will see you later, guys.